Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers and will continue to do so in the future. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.